Okay, we have the playfield stripped, flippers removed, kickers, AX, DX, EX relays, clean interlock relays. Got this little spinner relay which always has to be cleaned. See how it's nice and shiny? Take some double-aught, 4-aught steel wool. Clean the plugs inside and out. Clean inside and out with Dremel tool. All the bulbs have been changed. Clean the inserts with Q-tips. Clean everything. Plugs, relays. Here was a blade that was loose. A contact loose in the blade. The only way you can find those is when you're cleaning all the contacts. You find them. They spin when you move the file or using a Dremel tool, whatever you choose to do. You'll see those contacts loose in the blade, and that will cause you all kinds of headaches because it doesn't make good contact. So that's how you find those things. Otherwise, there's no way you'll ever find them. Have everything stripped out. Putting a new star roll over. So everything is stripped off. So I'll put this aside and we'll work on the guts next. There are all the flipper parts. Like I said, just remove this, the chime unit, remove this tilt mechanism thing, and then you can take the whole inner guts out. So you can work on all these relays so you're not bending down into the cabinet. Make life easier for yourself. Get it up to a working level so you can do a better job. Less back troubles in the later in life. Okay, we'll be back for part 3. Thank you.